Welcome back, guys. This is the 2-week update of your 23-way consumer spray coatings and sealants longevity test. This test is getting to see the East Texas wet spring weather this past week. As you'll see here, it has rained and rained and rained here this last week, and I finally got a break in the weather for a few hours this morning so I could film and wash everything, and then we're getting more rain here this afternoon. The last 7 days' weather, as well as what this hood has seen since the test has started, is on your screen here. If you'd like to support the channel, all you need to do is hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any experience with any of these products. If you're just joining us, please be sure to check out the entire series of all of these videos, as there is a ton of work that goes into the research, prep, install, and continued testing. So as usual, we will foam it down using Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, rinse it, foam it again, wash it with an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt, and then of course rinse to inspect the hydrophobic properties. You may be asking, why do I always use Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam? That is because since I started doing these tests in around 2015 or so, that's what I started using. And so for the interest of consistency, and so I have data points for everything, I always use the same soap to wash it. I always use the same type of wash mitt, which is an Australian sheep's wool wash mitt. It's called a reticulous wash mitt. I buy it from Detailed Image. The link is in the description if you want to see more about that. But I've been very consistent on what I use to wash, how I wash it, and so on. So with that out of the way, let's jump right into it, see how things are holding up here. First up is Sonax ceramic spray. Still looking pretty decent. Again, we're only 2 weeks in, so everything should be fairly decent. Griot's looks all right. New Finish is the new product here, New Finish Graphene. It's kind of a standout. Looking very hydrophobic. Adams Advanced Spray looks all right. Wolfgang Uber looks pretty weak. And White Diamond Graphene, kind of about in the same boat. McKee's Hydro Graphene. It is rejecting the water, albeit not quite like day one. And Rain-X Graphene not looking promising. 303 Graphene, as you've heard me talk about before, it's been a love-hate relationship with that product. I don't know if it's just not a consistent product batch between batches. I've probably had 5 different batches of it. Black Rhino Boost, something going on there. I believe they said they're going to send me a new product to include in a future test. Avalon King Boost, hanging in there. Shine Armor Graphene, we saw that had failed at the 1 week mark. And Flitz Ceramic Coating, looks like it's hanging in there. Jeskar Ceramic Spray Wax, I believe I got that on Amazon. Looks like it's doing all right. Less so than day one. McKee's Ceramic 365, sort of the same deal. It's even less so. Zephyr Pro 30, bought that at Walmart, lasted less than a week. Soft 99 Trees, rated for 3 months. Still hanging in there. TAC System Quartz Max, that's another standout. Some of you have said in the comments that that is a diluted version of TAC System Moonlight, and that is also going to be tested in my new test starting the 1st of May. 3D Ceramic Touch, looks like it has got some wear on it, but hanging in there. G-Technic Marine, rated for 6 months. Still doing all right, less so than day one. Geon Evo Can Coat Q2, another standout, very hydrophobic. And Glossit Ceramic Detail Spray. Typically in the past, when I've tested that, 30 to 60 days is what we're gonna get there. So there is your update. Wide range of results so far, but we have a wide range of products here. Store-bought, online only, very inexpensive, very expensive. Heavily marketed, no marketing. And tiny companies, massive companies. So let me know in the comments, again, if you've used any of these, if your results are similar. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we will see you soon.